Semiconductors are everywhere, from healthcare to agriculture to the military, from advanced manufacturing to transportation to clean energy and beyond. The game-changing technologies of today and tomorrow are built on semiconductors. If you think technology this advanced has a complex manufacturing process, you're right. First comes basic and fundamental research, critical to propelling the rapid pace of semiconductor innovation. Next comes design. Semiconductors have astonishingly tiny and complex circuitry, so designing a chip requires incredible precision. Production begins when raw materials, for example sand, are used to form long silicon cylinders called ingots that are then cut into incredibly thin slices called blank wafers. The intricate chip design is imprinted on the wafer by strobes of light through a process called photolithography. Precision equipment then deposits advanced materials on the wafer at the molecular level and etches them away to create the semiconductor's complex circuitry. The entire fabrication process can involve more than 1,000 steps on hundreds of sophisticated machines, all done in fabrication facilities, or fabs, operating 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and utilizing advanced robotics and artificial intelligence. Once finished, a wafer is cut into tiny, individual, and identical semiconductors called dies. A single wafer can hold as many as 70,000 of them. The dies are tested and packaged into finished semiconductors. The finished semiconductor, with up to tens of billions of transistors on a chip the size of a quarter, is then installed in the devices that power our modern world. Semiconductor manufacturing is highly R&D and capital intensive, and the cost of production is skyrocketing. Other countries' governments have recognized the strategic importance of semiconductors and have offset rising costs with bold incentives for semiconductor manufacturing, while the US has not. As a result, the share of global semiconductor manufacturing done in the US has declined precipitously over the last 30 years. In 1990, fabs in the US accounted for 37% of the global share of chip manufacturing capacity. Today, America's share is just 12%. At SIA, we believe this trend should be reversed. We need ambitious federal incentives for domestic chip manufacturing to keep America on top in chip technology. Leaders in Washington have a historic opportunity to usher in a resurgence of chip manufacturing in the US that will keep our country strong and competitive for years to come.